What's going on, guys? My name is Mark Wagner, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect video advertisement for a dropshipping product or really any product in general. This video is part 2 of 3 of my how to make a dropshipping ad video, so be sure to check out the other 2 videos if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first let's talk about what I use to make videos. So normally I'm just going to use the app InShot on my phone just because it's super convenient. If I'm not using InShot, then I use WeVideo on my computer, which is $10 a month. To source videos, I'm either downloading them from Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube videos, and to do that I use apps and websites that are really easy to find, and a quick Google search will get you what you need. Now I'm going to show a quick time lapse of me making a video advertisement for like this windshield ice scraper thing that did pretty well a couple months ago. You could still use it. I mean, it's February, so it's snowing some places, but it's definitely on the downtrend. I saw it at one point. Anyway, so while the video is going on and I'm making the advertisement, I'm going to be sharing some helpful tips on how you can make your video advertisements the most effective they can be. So on the topic of sourcing videos, there are a couple things that you need to be aware of. First of all, whenever you use a YouTube video, it's going to come with a default 16:9 ratio, and what that means is that the video is going to be very wide and not very tall. Those videos don't do anywhere near as well as square videos on Instagram or Facebook, but you know they can still work. The only workaround to this is if you crop the video, which I am going to be doing in the advertisement that I'm currently making. Normally when I make a video advertisement, I'm combining multiple videos from Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, but in this video, I'm just going to be using one complete video that I got from YouTube for the sake of time. You do need to be careful with copyright laws when you're using other people's videos. If you're pushing any type of volume, I'd highly recommend that you contact the video owner and ask if you can use it in an advertisement. If the video owner is another dropshipper, then you probably already know the answer to that question, but 90% of the time dropshippers just steal other dropshippers' videos. That's why it's super important to put a watermark on your videos and make sure that you can't easily crop it out. Once you're pushing major volume, I'd highly recommend that you order your own products and film your own videos. That, or you can hire people to film videos for you. As you can see, I'm basically just cutting out clips that I don't want, moving clips around, and then speeding up clips so that I'm able to show as much of the product as possible in the amount of time that I have. You generally want to make video ads anywhere from 30 seconds to 50 seconds long. If the product isn't very self-explanatory, I use a little bit of text in the first half of the video to explain as much of the product as possible and as little words as possible. You don't want to write like a full novel on your ad because A, it distracts from your video and your product, and B, Facebook doesn't like having a lot of text on your advertisements. Another big part of your video ad is the music that you choose. Now this may not sound like a big deal, but it really is, because it's a huge part of the emotion and the reaction that you want to convey when your customer sees your video. So I usually try to use an upbeat song, and then the big part is just having music and a video that correlate with your product. Another big part of your video is your cover photo. This is huge because a lot of the time it's going to decide whether someone scrolls past your advertisement or whether someone scrolls and then sees your cover photo and then stops and watches your advertisement. To set a cover photo for an Instagram influencer ad, all you have to do is place a picture for the first 0.3 seconds of the video. If you want to set a cover photo for a Facebook ad, then you need to click the customize video button after you've uploaded your video on Facebook ads. The biggest thing with video ads is that you keep them simple and sweet. The message that you want to convey is that your product is amazing and super useful, and the sale that you're having is crazy. Make sure it's catchy, make sure it's unique, and make sure it's shareable. Now let's take a look at the video that I've been making. Again, this is just something I threw together really quickly in order to make this YouTube video, but you should be able to get the general idea of the types of advertisements that I like to make. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I didn't go super in-depth on step-by-step how to make a video ad, but if I didn't do a time lapse on making that video, then this YouTube video would have been 25 minutes long. There is going to be another video coming in the next couple of days on how to make native and picture advertisements, so keep an eye out for that. Be sure to hit that big red subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.